Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be giving you a PLT try on haul, honey. So I already did the fitness one. This is part 2. I'm probably not going to label it as part 2, but if you subscribe you will know. So subscribe and turn on those post notifications, okay? Because I will be uploading every other day. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and if you're not new, then coming back. So let's get started with this PLT haul. I didn't order a lot of stuff, but you know, when you keep adding and keep adding, that stuff adds up. So it's just 5 little things I got. They all came individually wrapped, but that's not new. They always do that. I'm just gonna unwrap these and I'll be right back. I just want to show you that I haven't opened each yet. Okay, so y'all, I'm so excited to try these on because y'all, I love getting clothes. I love getting clothes in a minute. I love wearing cute clothes, and you know, I haven't ordered nothing from PLT in a minute, so this is a long awaited haul. Okay, I went crazy. I bought a lot of fitness stuff. I bought a lot of clothes. You know, some of these clothes are kind of summerish, but y'all, I live in Florida. It's going to be 80 degrees this upcoming weekend, and they call it a January thaw because it was cold this week. Okay, but it's going to be in the 80s like next week. So like, oh my gosh, it's crazy. So I could literally wear some of this stuff next week. That's the perks to living in Florida in the winter time. I unwrapped everything, and the first thing that I'm going to be showing you is this utility dress. I think that's what it's called. Yes, a camel utility tie waist shirt dress. So this looks like a shirt dress, and y'all, this is so cute. Like, oh my gosh, with some thigh-high boots, y'all. Some new thigh-high boots, y'all. You're gonna be getting all the eyes, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, and I also find something weird that like when I order a size 4, because I wear a size 4, I'm 5'9", so if you're 5'9" and you're kind of like my frame, size 4. But I noticed that every time I order a size 4, it literally says 8. I remember one time I got scared. It says 8. I remember one time I got scared because like I was like, sweetie, I ordered 4. Why does these say 8? But this is a cute, I don't know what kind of material this is. I ain't no sewing guru, so I don't know. Cotton? This ain't cotton. But yeah, all their stuff comes with this, and once you remove it, you can't return it. This is a cute shirt dress, and it comes with like a little belt you tie around your waist. So yeah, don't lose that. But yeah, that's that. So the next thing I got is, I don't even remember what this is, to be honest. I don't know what this is. Like, this is another dress, and it comes with a belt, and this is a nice belt, y'all. Do you see that detail? Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, this is so cute, y'all. Look, it's like a cute dress, and I was kind of scared to get it because it looked kind of short on the model, but you know, I've been going to the gym and been making some gains, so this booty gonna be popping in this dress. I'm speaking into existence, okay? Because right now it might look a little flat, but trust me, I've been going to the gym, putting in that work. Okay, so about springtime, I should be ready. But yeah, it's a cute zip-up dress. It really fits to your frame, so that's good about this dress. It's suede, so it's like a soft suede dress. Yeah, and it comes with this cute belt. I didn't even realize it came with the belt. I thought they just put that on the dress for like accessories. But yeah, I really like this. It's so soft and cozy. I don't know if you can wear it right now. Well, it's Florida, so yeah, you can wear it anytime in Florida with some cute thigh-high boots. I don't have thigh-high boots, but those will be incoming. But it has really been cold to wear thigh-high boots, so like I bought some like fake Uggs from Target, you know, Target brand Uggs. I haven't been able to wear them because it's not cold, so I don't know. Next thing I bought was, this all I bought? Oh, it's right here. I bought these pants, and they're like utility pants. Yeah, they're new. I didn't realize they were this material. They're like a hard cotton material, and it comes with a belt buckle like this. And y'all, these pants are so cute. Like, oh my gosh, like, and they had those like oversized shoes, and it had like a cute like crop top that came like right underneath your chest. And I also have one of those, so I might be trying that on with the outfit and see how they styled it. But it was white, mine is gray. But yeah, These are real cute. They're kind of heavy, so if you're weighing yourself, don't wear these because they have a little weight. Okay, so yeah, these are cute. The buckle, I think you just attach this through here. I'll figure it out later. I think they're like $30. These were a lot. Okay, wasn't really that much percentage off of them, but I had in my cart before, but since they're on sale, I just got them because I wanted these a while back. So cute utility job. Next I have this like springtime dress. I really didn't want to get this, but I forgot I had it in my cart and I just bought it. So I think this was like $25, and it's a pretty flowy dress, skater dress. That's what it's called, skater dress. And it's chiffon, white floral. So pretty, y'all. I want to wear this now. But this is obviously like a springtime dress. So, and I like the way it's layered. It's real short, but I'm tall, so it don't really matter. It might be a lot of legs showing, but I don't care. Okay, I don't. So yeah, this pretty, it's see-through in the sleeve, and I really love that because that's like sexy, you know, very sexy, you know what I'm saying. And it does zip down the back, and yeah, that's that. And last but not least, child, this dress, oh my gosh, I'm gonna tear this dress up, y'all. I don't really know if it's a party dress or not, but it's a brown mesh leopard print ruched bodycon dress, y'all. And y'all, oh my gosh, look at this. It's like, it fits your body, obviously bodycon, and then the front is kind of like, it kind of like falls like this, and it's pretty short, but it also has like these like little ruffles at the bottom. So y'all, this dress, I don't really own that much leopard stuff, but when I do, it's gotta be, yeah. Okay, so yes, I'm gonna show you how I look. You know, I'm gonna be rocking it. It look good with some red lipstick, y'all. Like, or like a pretty nude. Oh my gosh, and some heels, you know, of course. I don't really go out like that, so I will be wearing this to the mall. If I had a Valentine, I'd probably wear this. I don't know where I'm wearing this to, but it's gonna be worn, okay? And that's the last thing I really got. And y'all, when I get this body together and I wear that dress, oh my gosh, can't nobody tell me nothing. You hear me? Old Town Road. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this PLT try on haul. It was really quick, you know, that stuff was adding up. But like I said, I will be ordering some more stuff, or just give me some more places I should check out. I do want to check out Doll Skill. They're kind of pricey because they're like a they wasn't established that long ago. I think they were established in like 2017 or 2018, so their stuff is kind of pricey, but it's real cute, so I might be ordering from there. So yeah, leave a comment down below for where I should order from next. I love PLT. That's my go-to. I love more Forever 21. Forever 21 used to be cute, but PLT girls overpass and overcome. Okay, I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe, follow me on my Instagram right here, like, comment, all that good stuff. And I will see you in my next video.